Hi everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about decimation in frequency FFT algorithm, decimation in frequency FFT algorithm example. And this is the previous examination question, that is in the year May 2019. And the question is, find the 8-point DFT of 2, 1, 2, 1 using DIF FFT. Draw the signal flow graph for capital N is equal to 8 with intermediate values. So that is the question, that is the problem in the year May 2019 previous examination question. So now coming to the solution. So given that 8-point DFT is there, 8-point DFT. So therefore N is equal to capital N is equal to capital N is equal to 8. And what is the given sequence? Given that the given sequence x of n is equal 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 1. So this is the given sequence. But given that 8-point DFT is there, here only 4 samples is there. So consider the remaining samples are considered as zeros. That is 2 comma 1 comma 2 comma 1, and after that the remaining 4 samples are considered as zeros. So that is 0 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0. So now here total 8 samples are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 samples. So therefore the given data is 8-point DFT. So that is the given sequence x of n. So first calculate the Twiddle factor values. So we know that according to definition of the Twiddle factor, the Twiddle factor Wn power k is equal e power minus j 2 pi by n into k, 2 pi by n into k. And this is the 8-point DFT. In 8-point DFT, there are 4 Twiddle factors. So that are W k power 0, wn power 0. Now here n is equal to 8. Now here n is equal to 8. So n is equal to 8. The Twiddle factors in 8-point DFT are w 8 power 0, w 8 power 1, w 8 square, and w 8 cube. So these are the Twiddle factors in 8-point DFT, DIF FFT. So now here Wn power k is equal to 0, 1, 2, 3. So in this equation, substitute k is equal to 0, k is equal to 1, and k is equal to 2, k is equal to 3. So we get the Twiddle factors W8 power 0, W8 power 1, W8 square, and W8 cube values. So first calculate W8 power 0, substitute k is equal to 0, e power minus j 2 pi by 8 into, so that is equal e power minus j 2 pi by, given that n is equal to 8 into k. So e power minus j 2 pi by 8 into 0, e power minus 0, e power minus 0 value is 1, e power minus 0 value is 1. Next calculate W8 power 1. Now here the k value is 1. So in this equation, substitute k is equal to 1. We get the Twiddle factor e power minus j 2 pi by 8 into 1. So that is equal to e power minus j 2 pi by 8. E power minus j 2 pi by 8. So 2 4s are cancelled, e power minus j pi by 4, e power minus j pi by 4. So using Euler identity, what is the Euler identity? E power j theta is equal e power j theta is equal cos theta plus j sin theta. Similarly, e power minus j theta is cos theta minus j sin theta. This is the Euler identity. Now here what is the theta value? The theta value is pi by 4 cos pi by 4 minus j sin pi by 4. So therefore W8 power 0 value is W8 power 1 value is cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 and 1 by root 2 value is 0.707 minus sin theta sin pi by 4 minus j sin pi by 4. Sin pi by 4 value is 1 by root 2, so 0.707. Next calculate W8 square e power minus j 2 pi by 8 into 2. So that is equal e power minus j pi by 2. So using Euler identity, cos e power minus j pi by 2 is cos pi by 2 minus j sin pi by 2. Cos pi by 2 value is 0 and sin pi by 2 is value is 1. So 0 minus j, 0 minus j minus j. Next calculate W8 cube value. In this equation substitute k is equal to 3, we get W8 power 3 is e power minus j 2 pi by 8 into 3. So that is equal e power minus j 3 pi by e power minus j 3 pi by 4. So using Euler identity, reducing this value e power minus j 3 pi by value is minus 0.707 minus j 0.707. So these are the Gödel factor values. Next, draw the graphical representation of the signal flow graph of decimation in frequency FFT algorithm. Decimation in frequency FFT algorithm. So according to definition of decimation in frequency FFT algorithm, if the input sequence is in natural order, and the output sequence is in shuffled order. So what is the natural order? Given that 8-point sequence is there, totally 8 samples are there. So what is that input sequence? X of 0, X of 1, X of 2, X of 3, X of 4, X of 5, X of 6, X of 7. This is the input sequence. So that is X of n is equal to X of 0, comma, X of 1, comma, X of 2, comma, X of 3, X of 4, X of 5, X of 6, X of 7, X of sorry, X of 7. Totally 8 samples. So X of 0 value is 2, X of 0 value is 2, X of 1 value is 1, X of 2 value is 2, X of 3 value is 1, X of 4, X of 5, X of 6 and X of 7 values are 0. So according to definition of DIF, input sequence is arranged in natural order. So that is So input sequence is in natural order. So that natural order is x of 0 to x of 7, and this is x of 0, and this is x of 1, and x of 2, x of 3, x of 4, x of 5, x of 6, x of 7. This is the natural order. So given that what are the sample values, x of 0 value is 2, x of 1 value is 1, x of 2 value is 2, x of 3 value is 1, x of 4 value is 0, x of 5 value is 0, x of 6 value is 0, x of 7 value is 0. So according to the concept of DAF, and this 8 samples is divided into 2 equal samples. So what are the 2 equal samples? The first 4 samples is considered as one set of samples, and next 4 samples is considered as another set of samples. Another set of samples. So these four input samples are drawn by downward direction, and these four samples are drawn by upward direction according to the concept of decimation in frequency FFT concept. And these four samples are drawn in downward direction. So that is, and these four samples are drawn by upward direction. And this is stage 1 output. Stage 1 output, and this is the 8-point DFT. The total number of stages are log n base 2. The total number of stages are log n base 2. So now here what is n? N is 8. 8 is written as 2 cube. So 3 into log 2 base 2. Log 2 base 2 is 1. Therefore the total number of stages are 3. The total number of stages are 3. And this is stage 1 output. Stage 1 output, and after that indicates the butterfly nodes, and these are the butterfly nodes. So using concept of DAF algorithm, the butterfly diagram, so what is the butterfly diagram? decimation in frequency FFT, decimation in frequency FFT butterfly diagram, and there are two inputs. This butterfly diagram has there are two inputs A and B, and this is the twiddle factor Wn power n, and there are two outputs. This output is A plus B, and this output is A minus B into twiddle factor Wn power n. So this is the butterfly diagram. So using this butterfly diagram, reducing this signal flow graph. So once again, I will explain the butterfly diagram. So this is the butterfly diagram. This butterfly diagram consists of there are two inputs, capital A and capital B, and there are two outputs. This output can be determined as this input value plus this input value, and the second output value can be determined as this input value minus this input value into twiddle factor. So using this butterfly diagram, reducing this signal flow graph. So now we are in the first stage. What are the twiddle factor? The twiddle factors are in first stage W 8 power 0, W 8 power 1, W 8 square, W 8 cube. The twiddle factor values are W 8 power 0. So using this node consists of there are two outputs. What are the two outputs? And this is one output and this is another output. This is so using butterfly diagram. So what is this output value? This node consists of there are two inputs. What are the two inputs? And this is one input and this is another input. And this output value, this plus this, 2 plus 0. So 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 0. So this value is 2. And what is another output of this node? This is another output. What is this output value? This input value minus this input value into W8 power 0. What is this twiddle factor here? W8 power 0. So 2 minus 0 into W8 power 0. The twiddle factor value already calculated. So what is the W8 power 0 value? 1. So 2 minus 0 into 1, 2. And similarly calculate using DAF FFT butterfly diagram. Similarly calculate remaining output values. So next consider this node. This node consists of there are two inputs and this is one input and this is another input. And here the twiddle factor is W8 power 0. So this node consists of there are two outputs. What are the two outputs? This is one output. There are two outputs. This is one output and this is another output. So this output value is this input value plus this input value. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. Next is this output value. What is this output value? 1 minus 0 into twiddle factor. Here what is the twiddle factor? W8 power 0. The W8 power 0, W8 power 1 value is already calculated. So what is the W8 power 1 value? 0.707 minus J 0.707. So 1 minus 0 into W8 power 1. So that is, so this value is 0.7 minus J 0.7. Next, using this node consists of there are two inputs. That is, this is one input and this is another output, and this node consists of there are two outputs, and this is first output and this is second output. So using this node, the first output can be determined as this input value plus this input value, 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 0 2, and this output value is 2 minus 0 into W8 square. So what is W8 square value? The W8 square value is minus J. So 2 minus J into minus J. So minus 2J, minus 2J or minus J 2. And similarly, using this node, and this output value is 1 minus 0, 1, and this output value is 1 minus 0 into W8 cube. What is W8 cube value? Minus 0.707 minus J 0.707. So minus 0.7 minus J 0.7. And these are the stage 1 outputs. Next, calculate stage 2 output. So this 8-point DFT is split into two 4-point DFT, and this is for n by 2, first n by 2 4-point DFT, and this is second n by 2 4-point DFT. N is equal to 8, n by 2 point DFT and n by 2 point DFT, 8 by 2, 4-point DFT and 4-point DFT. And this 4-point DFT is divided into two 2-point DFTs, two 2-point DFT. And similarly, this 4-point DFT is divided into, split into two 4-point, two 2-point DFTs. Next, calculate stage 2 output. So from these four samples, first two samples is considered as one set of the samples, and next two samples is considered as another two set of samples. So these two samples are drawn by downward direction, and these two samples are drawn by upward direction. So that is, and these two samples are drawn by downward direction. And similarly, this n by 2 point DFT, this n by 2 point DFT consists of, there are four samples. These four samples, out of these four samples, these two samples, first two samples is considered as one set of samples, one combination, and next two samples is considered as another set of samples. So these two samples are drawn by downward direction, and these two samples are drawn by upward direction. So that is, so these two samples are drawn by upward direction, and these two samples are drawn by downward direction. And after that indicate the butterfly nodes. And after that indicates butterfly nodes. And these are the butterfly nodes. Highlight the butterfly nodes, and after highlighting the butterfly nodes, indicating, representing Quidel factors. And this is the second stage in DIF FFT algorithm. In second stage, the Quidel factors are W8 power 0 Quidel factors, W8 power 0, Quidel factors here, W8 power 0, and this Quidel factor is W8 square. And here Also the utility factors W 8 power 0, W 8 square. So using DAF FFT algorithm concept, find out the output values similarly. So this node consists of there are two inputs and this is one input and this is another output. Calculate the corresponding output value and this output value is 2 plus 2 and this output value is 2 minus 2 into W8 power 0. So 2 plus 2 4, this output value is 4 and this output value is 2 minus 2 0. 0 into W8 power 0 0. And similarly, this butterfly node consists of there are two inputs and this is one input and this is another input. So using DAF butterfly diagram, this output value is 1 plus 1, 2 and this output value is 1 minus 1 into W8 power 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 0 into W8 square, 0. Next, similarly here also using this butterfly node. This butterfly node consists of there are two inputs using DAF butterfly diagram. This output is 2 minus J2 and this output value is 2 plus J2 into 2 minus of minus J2. Minus into minus plus 2 plus J2 into W8 power 0. So W8 power 0 is 1. Next, using this node consists of there are two inputs and this is one input and this is another output. Using DAF butterfly diagram, this output value is 0.7 minus J 0.7 plus minus 0.7 minus J 0.7. So plus J 0.7 minus J 0.7 is cancelled. So the value is minus J 0.7 minus J 0.7 minus J 1.414. So this value is minus J 1.414 value. And this output value is 0.7 minus 0.07 minus of minus 0.7 minus J 0.7 and this output value is 0.7 minus J 0.7 minus of, at the same time here I am multiplying minus within the bracket term, here minus is there, minus into minus plus 0.7 and minus into minus plus J 0.7. So minus J 0.7 plus J 0.7 is cancelled, 0.7 plus 0.7 1.414 into W8 square. So what is W8 square value into W8 square? What is the W8 square value? Minus J. So this value is minus J 1.414 and this is stage 2 output, second stage output. This is stage 2 output. Next calculate third stage output, final stage. Third stage is the final stage. Stage 3 output. And this is first, this is n by 4 point DFT and this is another n by 4 point DFT and this is another n by 4 point DFT and this is another n by 4 point DFT. So in this stage totally there are 4 n by 4 point DFTs, 4 n by 4 point DFTs. So this n by 4 point DFT consists of there are two samples. So this is one sample and this is another sample. Using the concept of DAF FFT algorithm, so this sample is drawn by upward direction. This sample is drawn by upward direction and this sample is drawn by downward direction. See in this n by 4 point DFT there are two samples. this sample, down sample is drawn by upward direction and up sample is drawn by downward direction. And here also this is another n by 4 point DFT. So in this n by 4 point DFT there are two input samples, and first up sample is drawn by downward direction and down sample is drawn by upward direction. And here also this is drawn by upward direction and this is drawn by downward direction. And this is stage 3. In this stage there are the Twiddle factor value is only one Twiddle factor value. So that is W8 power 0. W8 power 0. W8 power 0. And after that indicate, and after that represent butterfly node. Highlight the butterfly node. And this is the butterfly. So using DAF butterfly diagram, DAF decimation in frequency butterfly diagram, calculate the output values. So this output value is 4 plus 2. So 4 plus 2 is 6. And this output value is 4 minus 2 into W8 power 0. W8 power 0 value is 1. So 4 minus 2, 2. And this output value is 0 plus 0, 0. And this output value is 0 minus 0 into W8 power 0. So 0. And this output value is 2 minus J2 minus J 1.414. 2 minus J2 minus J 1.414 minus J 3.414. And this output value is this minus this into W8 power 0. So that is 2 minus J 0.586. And this output value is this input value minus, this input value plus this input value. So that is 2 plus J 0.586. And this output value is this input value minus this input value into Twiddle factor. So that is 2 plus J 3.414. And this is output. So according to definition of DAF decimation in frequency concept, input sequence is arranged in natural order and output sequence to be stored in shuffled order. So for 8 point DFT, what is the shuffled order? The shuffled order is, and this is x of 0 value, and this is x of 4 value, and this is x of 2 value, and this is x of 6 value, and this is x of 1 value, and this is x of 5 value, and this is x of 3 value, and this is x of 7 value. That is the shuffled order. Definition of DAF, input sequence is in natural order, that is x of 0 to x of 7, and the output sequence is in shuffled order, that is x of 0, x of 4, x of 2, x of 6, x of 1, x of 5, x of 3, x of 7. So therefore, the sequence x of k is equal, the sequence x of k is equal, the sequence x of k is equal, x of 0, what is x of 0 value? 6, comma, x of 1, what is x of 1 value? 2 minus j 3.414, x of 0, x of 1, x of 2, what is x of 2 value? 2, and x of 2 value is x of 2 value is 0, x of 2 value is 0, comma, next x of 3 value is 2 plus j, 2 plus j 0.586, 0.586, comma, x of 4 value is 2, comma, x of 5 value is 2 minus j 0.586, and x of 6 value is 0, comma, x of 7 value is 2 plus j 3.414. So this is x of k value.